Let's try now. Let's try now. It's not even connecting at all. Okay, on roll. Okay, I think it's back now. What's it called? Error.
我想把 drop message 放在这了。
All right, we are so sorry for this mess. We are very, very sorry. So as I was saying, that you are going to be needing your Google account in order for you to be able to sign in into Canva. So you are going to be needing your Google account, and I was trying to create it before the break. So now I was here the other time. I was trying to create the account. If you can still hear me, please kindly drop it in the comment section that you can hear me. If you can hear me, kindly drop it on the comment section that you can hear me. So I'm trying to create the Google account in order for us to use it for the Canva, because we are going to need our Google account for Canva. So if you're also on your phone, this you are going to do the same thing that I'm doing. So they are the same process. They have the same processes. So all right. So all right. So it's still loading. Now it's asking me for my phone number. Oh, my phone number has been used already. So if you have I don't have another phone, so I might not be able to continue with this. Just put in your phone number, and that will be how you are going to sign up for your Google account. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, I already have one that I've created already. So like this one that is showing on my on my um on my screen now. So I've created that already, and because I only have one phone number, so that's why it's not going through. So what you just need to do is to type in on your Google browser, whether you are using your phone. You can also use your Chrome browser on your phone, and if you are using your system, or what you just need to type is type canva.com, then you click on enter. I believe you can still see my screen here. Look at this now. So after I've typed canva.com, so I have this interface, and what you just need to do is to sign up. You're going to sign up. In order for you to use Canva, you must have an account. You must create an account, and in order for you to create an account, you must sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up, this sign up button, and it's telling me that I should put I should accept all cookies and manage. I'll just accept the cookies. Then I would click on continue with Gmail. After that, it's going to log me in automatically, because I've just been able to log in with my Gmail on Canva. So it's still loading. Let's wait for the network. It's still loading. So before it comes up, please, I want a response on the chat. If you are getting it, please let me know in the on the chat. If you want me to explain or go back, please let me also know in the chat box, please. All right, so our Canva, okay, says receive Canva for non-profit. It's free. So it's telling us that it is free to use Canva, that we are using for a non-profit organization. So we just click on get started, or I'm not a non-profit, so you just click on this sign times here. So we are not here for that. So we have our Canva interface, and once you get into the Canva interface, Canva allows us to have a personal account. At the same time, we have a pro account. The pro account is part of the accounts that some people would be going home with tonight, because I'm going to be giving you access to a pro account after this class for the people who has done the necessary things, for the names of the people that we have already. I believe those people are on the call. If they're not on the call, please let's get them in, because in order for them to get this pro access, they need to be on the call. So now, after I've logged in into the account, this is how it looks like. It's not something that is hard. This is how it will look like on the system, and the same thing on the phone. It's just like it's just a small screen. So it's the same process with the laptop, the same thing also on the phone. So if you look at this, my right hand side here, we see personal. So this is my personal account that we just created. And if you've been given the Canva Pro access, you're going to have it here also. So what you need to just do is just switch to the pro account, so that you'll be able to have access to everything we have on the Canva. You're able to have access. So now it says try pro for 30 days. So this is for pro people that will be paying, and if we should look into the price, is a whole lot. So all what you just need to do is, when you start working, you get a pro account, you get a pro plan, so that you will not be limited. So this is how it looks like. The interface of Canva looks like. We have the home page here, we have the project part, we have the templates, we have the brand, we have the apps, we have the dream labs, we have doc. So these are what you can use Canva for. Let me click on this see more here. Under the see more, it's still loading. The network is frustrating, like, okay. So we have doc. So for people that, many of us that are used to creating documents on, let's say, Microsoft Word, on Google Doc. So Canva also have something that we call a Google Doc. And the best part of Canva, Google and Doc is that it already have a template. If you want to write a CV and you want to use Canva, so you just come to this doc. There are some templates already for CV. So you just click on the doc. So we also have the white box. You can use this presentation part. It has slides. So it has slides that you're going to put in your work into different slides, and it's very easy for you to present, probably on a very big screen. On your, you can print it out for your lecturers to see, and people that are familiar with using Google Slide would also get this very, very easy, because this one has a template that you can follow. You can just drag in and drop in your work, and you're good to go. Then this part is for the social media managers. Social media manager, when it comes to social media, we have lots of platforms on social media. We have the ones that we are very familiar with are the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, Pinterest. There are a whole lot. So anything social media, graphics, social media video, social media, anything you can just imagine on social media. So you come to this social media part, you click on it, and then you have everything as well. Look at it. They even gave us some, said this is Instagram, we have Facebook, we have LinkedIn. Probably you want to post on Instagram, you don't even have any idea of what you want to post. Nothing is coming to your head. So just come to Canva. Another thing that is good about Canva is that it's going to give you that inspiration of what you need to do. For example, I am a social media manager. So many times, okay, I want to post on Monday motivation. I would come on Canva. Under this social media, I'll just click on Monday motivation, Monday motivation. So it's going to bring for me a whole lot. Motivational animation, motivational desktop wallpaper, motivational Facebook cover. It depends on the one I'm going for. It depends on look at it. Look at for Instagram. Look at it. So many. So anything social media post. You want to even post your reels. You want to post your cover picture. You can always come here to get it done. So it's not something that is actually hard to do. Just as I've said earlier, it's something that is very easy. Oh, okay, Busola, I can see your comments. Please, can you recap? All right. I don't know where you got lost, or which part do you want me to recap on, please? Which part? Which part, please? Let me know in the comment section. Your network is bad. Same thing here. I don't know what is wrong with the network tonight. MTN network this evening, but we are going to just take it like that and continue with what we are here for. So we are going to know where we are going to. So just as I've said earlier, so my Canva is still here because this is still loading. So we are still waiting for this to load. As we are waiting for this to load, I just try to open a new window so that we can continue from where we before we got to that part. Okay. This is still loading. This is still loading. This part is still loading. So let's wait for it. But I've opened a new tab and this also is loading. Okay, so we are still here and we are waiting for it to load. It's still loading. This is still loading as well. I believe we are still there. We are waiting for our Canva to load. It's still loading and let's be patient, please. Still loading. Why is it slow? Why is it slow? Why is it slow? Why is it slow? It's still loading. So while we are waiting for it to finish loading, so let's talk. Let's discuss. If you can hear me, let's discuss. So how I believe we are getting along. Are we getting it? Can we still hear me? All right, so we can continue. So just as I was saying that this is the social media part, then we also have our video here. So you can also create videos on Canva, videos like Reels. You can create our long video, our Facebook video. You can create our normal video for TikTok, Instagram. You can create status video here, and also website. This part is very, very important. This website part is a part that I've used it to make money, because creating website for people using Canva, all what I just needed is just to get a Canva Pro, get a template, then tell everybody I can create website for you and you get paid. So you can also create your website here. Another thing you can do is to customize size for people that are used to graphic designs. There are something that we call sizes. For example, if you want to create a social media post, if your post that is going on field, you're going to, it has its own size. It has its own size. That is 1080 by 1080. So you're going to customize your size over here. Yes, you're going to customize this over here. You just type in 1080 width, then height 1080 as well. So then pixel, we also have it in inches, we have it in millimeter and centimeter, but most of the times we use for the pixel. Then you just click create design. And another thing you should note when you are creating anything on Canva is to always name your work. Always give your work name so that you not mix it up with other things. So you must name each project, you must name each work, you must name it so that everything will just be there. So that is all about that. So another thing I want us to also note is the parts where this is my for the Facebook feed. I was talking about the customization of the size. So this size can be customized to this for the Facebook feed. So for example, if you're also doing reels, if you want to customize your reel size, this size is different. And even if you don't even know the size, you don't know what you want to do, you don't know, you can go on Google, you can search for the size of reels. For example, let me open a new tab here and just type in what is a real size, a real Facebook, well, let's just say Facebook real size, facebook facebook reels size. So it's going to give you the accurate size that you are looking for. So while it's still loading, so I already know that Facebook size is 1080 by 920. Hey, look at this part also. It's giving us the sizes of all our projects. This is the course and dark whiteboard. Instagram, look at it, 180, 1080 by 1350. Presentation is 116 by 9. Poster is 42 times 59.4 centimeters. Your story is 1080 by 1920. So everything you want to do has sizes. Look at logo, look at flyers. You can also create flyers, put it on your status that you can design flyers. Look at your phone wallpaper, resume. You can create your CV with with Canva. You can create YouTube thumbnail with Canva. You can create your Facebook post, invitation card, I've also used this invitation card portrait a lot. So that is it. Then also we have some common layout and sizes also. There are some sizes that are common, and if you have your own size on your head, you can still you can still go for it. But if peradventure you don't even know the size, you can go on Google and search in the size you want to create. So always work with size so you can have a perfect work. You cannot use Facebook size, post size for reels. It will not work. It will not work. So another thing that we are going to do quickly is for us to look at the templates we have on Canva. So I just clicked on this template part. We have a whole lot of thousands of templates, depend on what you want to do. So tonight we are going to take a template. We are going to work on a template. I'm going to work on a template, and I want everybody to also follow along so that we'll be able to look at this. Says design your Valentine's Day. Yes, everybody knows that Valentine's Day is around the corner, and probably you just want to design something to put on your status on your social media. Yes, you don't want to be doing copy and paste. When somebody posts something, you have carried it and post it. No, you want to also create your own. You can create it for self. Look at it now. It's saying start creating. If we click on this now, it will take us to a part where we'll create, but it's going to be a blank document because we've not picked any templates. This one says browse by category. We have so many categories depending on what you want to do. If it is doc you want to do, whiteboard, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, landscape. Look at this also, animated social media presentations, flyers, posters. So resume, invitation card, YouTube thumbnails, your stories, video, and look at this upcoming event. So now I said it the other time that we are going to pick a template, but I don't want us to jump into a video template. Let's just pick a template that is very simple. Okay, this is Canva's topic. This is for the coconuts. This is for the start of the year vibes and many others. So this is for Instagram post. So we are going to just click this one. Let's click on this one. So I'm going to show us how to navigate the template, how to customize it. So this is the template that I've picked now, and this one, let's just pick it. All right, so we have this template. You can see my mouse is even telling me I can drag in, I can remove it, I can add my own text. Look at this part too. I can remove anything, I can add my own text as well, depending on how creative you are with your design. So it's something that it's actually about creativity. It's about creativity. So everything is still loading. I want to show us this part where you can even work with the things you can work with here that would make your work and design to be very nice, trust me. So we are going to be designing for Valentine, maybe like a greeting card that you can post on your status, on your social media posts for Valentine. And I'm going to give us assignment in which everybody will submit on the group. We are going to go back home and practice it. If you are using your phone, it is the same method, the same way. Just go on your Google Chrome, type in canva.com. It's going to bring you into the Canva interface. Look for template part, click on the template part, pick any template you like. Then it's going to bring you here. It's going to ask you if you want to create the template or not. Now it has finished loading. So the first thing I said the other time is that you must always name your design. You must always give your design a name. Look at here where I am now. I'm going to just double click on it. I like all the names that we have here because this is not my name. This is the name it's a black white simple quote. It's not, so you must just name it like, okay, let me let's just give it a name. Let me just say practical. Okay, let me just say Canva basic class. Canva basic class. So I've just finished naming my design now. So that's the first thing you should do so that you will not forget. You must name your design and don't just. So the first thing you can do, look at this on my left hand side here. We have some features. We have design here. Under this design, you can get other templates that you can use. But when you get to this template part, you are going to see something that says premium template for you. The premiums are the ones that are paid for. If you don't pay for it and you use it, you'll never be able to download it. If you download it, it will have Canva written all over the design, and everybody will know that you are not the owner of this design, and you will not even be able to download it because you've not paid for it. So using Canva, you must pay, because if you want to be using the free ones, yes, they are free template as well. They are free template that you can use, but the free ones would not give you the exact thing. It will not give you it's going to be so simple. Something that, look at this one now, is a free template that I've just picked. So I can just remove anything, drag and drop anything there. Is free. Yes, it's free. But if you want to take your design to the next level, you need to get a Canva Pro. And that is what some of you will be going home with. Some of you that has done your tax, you are going to get free access to the Canva Pro. All you just need to do is to send in your email. So you are going to send me your email. I'm going to add you to the Canva team. Then you can do everything. Look at this. It has crown here. Let me look at, you can even add a new page here. So I can click on this Pro. This is a new account, and we've not subscribed to it. We've not subscribed to Canva Premium on it. So it's going to be telling us that we cannot use this because it is not paid. We've not paid. This account has not been added to a premium account. So in the course of this tutorial, I'm going to show us a paid account, how it looks like, how you can navigate through anything at all, everything you need. You can get it. Look at it. It is not. It said upgrade to use this template. Try Canva Pro for free. So all of this one they are not true, because once you click on it, your free trial is going to bring you to where you are going to pay, and you cannot even pay in naira. You can only pay in dollar, and you don't have dollar account here. So that is easy for individual to pay for the Canva Premium. So you can always get it from anyone around you. So that is why you can see it's not you cannot use this because we are not using a paid account. Those are the limitations that we have. All of these are pro. Once you just see this yellowish thing, it's called Pro. It said upgrade to Canva Pro to use this template, premium template. They are called premium. Look at this one. This one does not have it, so we can use this because this one does not have. You can see that it's not even telling us that we should upgrade here, where I was able to add it here. I believe you are still following. I believe you are. Let me check the chat box and see if people are still following. Oh, Musola, you don't need to download the app. If you are using your phone, you can just use it on your Google Chrome. So some people, yes, I have Canva app on my phone as well, but many times your phone might not be compatible with Canva software. Is a little bit heavy. So instead of so that for you to be able to avoid that, just go on your Chrome browser, type in canva.com, and then click enter. So it's going to bring, once you sign in into your account, and the next time you want to log in, automatically it's going to bring you in. You don't need to do anything again. You just sign you in, and all your works, everything, your projects, everything are saved inside. So I believe I've been able to answer your question. So, but if you can still download the app, yes, it's fine, it's good. But it's still the same thing if you don't want to download it, and if you want to download, so it's still almost the same thing. So I believe I've been able to answer your question, Busola. So once we are now here, so I want us to quickly do something. So these are all premium templates. Once you see the crown, once you see this golden crown here, so it means that it's a paid um template, and you will not be able to use it. But what you just need to do is that once you pay, all of these things are going to be unlocked. You are going to be able to use it for free. Everything, yes, everything. You'll be able to use it all. You're going to be able to use everything for free. So I'm going to also show us a template, a paid account, so that we'll be able to know the differences between those two the two accounts. So I also have another account that has a paid Canva in it already. So I'm going to be showing us so that we'll know how it works as well. So that is how it is. So I'm going to be showing us right now. So I believe you can see this account. So this is also another email that has a, so all what I just need to do is what, to type in my canva.com. Once I type in canva.com, I click on enter, it will bring me straight into this account. It's not going to be asking me about any login details again, because we have logged in before. I have logged in before. So this is my account that has a premium Canva that has been installed already on this. So you're going to see my recent designs, you're going to see my work. I've done a whole lot. So, and your work would be saved on your project, on your recent designs. So, and we have it here already. So let's take, for example, the one we were doing on the free account was limiting us. So let me just show us, okay, let me just show us a premium account, how everything has been unlocked. It will not give you any limitation on what to do. Maybe you should, no, there's no limitation. Everything is already unlocked. So that is the purpose of the premium that we are going to be giving unto you at the end of this training, because you're going to have access to the premium version of Canva. Yes, you're going to have it, and you have access to be able to unlock everything for free. So this is a premium account. I'm opening it for us so that we'll know the differences between it, because some people will be, okay, since I can still use the free one, yes, you can go ahead and use it. At the same time, you still need the premium, because there are some features that are embedded in the premium version. That's, even to remove your background, you need premium. To do some things that would make your design stand out, you need premium version of Canva. So this, look at me now, the other one that was not open in the other account is now opened here. Look at it. I'm allowed to use this, so I can use this because this account is a premium account. Look at this design. As I was telling you the other time, that design has, this is another place where you can still choose your template. Look at this one too. It's a premium account, and you can choose your templates. And when we talk about template, just like a work that has been done by somebody before, and you now want to use the same work to now create another thing entirely. So it makes graphics very, very easy. In the olden days, when you want to create designs, you need to start from scratch, and sometimes you just be getting idea. Oh, what we like what do you have on your head? You have to start thinking, start jotting things down. But Canva just make everything to be very, very easy for us. You just go in. Okay, want to create, okay, let's say we want to create a Valentine post now. I'll just type Valentine post. I'll just type Valentine post. Let's see what will come up. It's still loading. Let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Yes, look at it. So I said it the other time that we are using this account is actually a premium account. Look at it. It has the crown, but it's showing us that it's premium. Look at this. Isn't this nice? And you do you know that you can actually do this also by yourself, but it's going to take your time. There's no time. We need our time to do many things. Look at this one. This one just says to be with you. It's all I want. Be my love. Valentine's Day. That's all. You might have your own copy. Copy is what we write on a design. So when we are talking about design, every word you have on your design is called copy. Every word you have on your design is called a copy. And we also have something that we call a caption. For example, you want to post on your social media, that word that you post under it is called caption, while the word you post that you use for your design to design anything on your design is called a copy. So if you also want to go deep into doing this, all this thing is something that you need to really devote your time, that you want to really learn it, and they are very simple. In order for you to get your copy also, we have some AI features that you can also use to get your design. It depends on what you have on your head, and using a premium account would also help you to 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 even make your word your text. For example, you are even writing something and you are not even getting that English is not coming. Yeah, let me put it like that. Canva Premium would also give you that opportunity to look at this, to edit your text, to correct your English, to do so much. Look at this template as well. You have a whole lot of templates, a whole lot. Look at this one. Valentine's Day, roses are red, violet and blue. A whole lot of templates. So it depends on what you have on your head. But I love this. Happy Valentine's Day, February 14, 2020. Look at this on 2030. You can change it. You can just change and manipulate some things on it. It's very easy. So while this is still loading, you can see that I'm just opening different pages down. So because of, I think it's still loading, Sha. It's still loading. We are going to wait for it, or let me just refresh my page. So let me just refresh my page. It's still loading. Okay, why is still load? Look at it. It's still loading. Everything would come in now once it's finished loading. So because of our time, we are going to quickly just design something for Valentine. I'm going to give us also an assignment. I don't know when next you are going to meet again. It depends on you. It depends on you. I'm ready to teach you everything about Canva. I've said it before that I'm ready to hold your hand and walk you through from being a novice in creating design to being somebody that is a pro. Yes, if you are a student, you don't need to beg for money. You can create nice design, post it on your status, tell people that this is what you do now. People, they will pay you money. It's your service. And what do you just need to do? Just come in, drag and look at it. I said it the other time that everything is going to load. Look at it. Is this not nice? This one just says Valentine's Day. Roses are red, violet and are blue. Spreading love and kindness today and every day too. So what you just need to do here, even if you don't have anything you want to do, if you are using Canva Pro, what you just need to do, okay, you don't want to copy everything that this person has said. Look at this tool, this magic writes here. Just click on it and say, okay, rewrite this for me. Oh. Just click on rewrite it. This pencil here, it's an AI tool that would help you to rewrite everything you have here so that it will not be the same thing. Just it's already writing. It's going to change everything entirely. Look at it, said roses are red, violets are blue. Let's share love and kindness today and every day too. It's still kind of similar. Look at this. All these things that we have here are what you can give your AI to write for. This one said custom prompt. That if you want to write your own prompt, okay, oh, write it in this way for me. This one that I just use says rewrite. Maybe you like it though, but you don't want it to write this same way. You can just say, okay, rewrite it for me. Okay, let's say this one says fixed spelling. Maybe you have written something, you are not sure of the spelling. You know, when you are writing for people, for clients, you must be very sure of your spellings. You cannot give them wrong spelling. So after what this is what I do, after I finish writing on my designs, I will just come to this fixed spelling. I'll just ask it, fix my spelling for me. It's going to fix everything, and the English will not be as if I am the guru here. No. So this is the AI tool that I also enjoy while using Canva. So another thing here that we have is continue writing. Maybe the word is even short. You want to write something that is longer than this on your design. Just click on continue writing. So you can do that here. Then if this one, the next one is shorten. If the word on your design is very short and you want to reduce it, you just click on the shorten. It's going to do it for you. If you want it to be more fun, you click on this more fun. If you want it to be more formal, you click here. If you want to sprinkling fairy dust, I've never used this, but I believe it's still something that would put it to, it is going to nourish or add like ingredient to your write-up. Then if you want to change the voice, if you don't like this the way it sound, you can just click here and give it a, okay, let it sound this way. I believe you are getting it. I believe you are learning. So that is it. So let's just use, which one should we use here? Which one? Let's tell, okay, let's use this, make it fun, more fun. Let's use the more fun. Let's see what we are going to have. This one says roses are red, violets are blue. Let's sprinkle love and kindness like comfort today and every day too. You can see the way it just brought it out. It's not the exact way it was written on the design. And I'll just click on replace. So it has replaced it for me. Valentine's Day. If you don't, it's Valentine's Day. If you want to add something to the day, you can just say it's February 14, it's today, or I'm enjoying myself. Anything. And my friend, you are good to go. And if you don't like this background that is here, this red background, you can just like click on it, detach background from it, because all of these things are the background though. All of these things are the background. So you can just detach the background. So your text is still somewhere here. Okay, this part is called undo. What I just did now, I can undo it. So, and I've been able to what, detach my background, right? So because other texts are white, that's why we are not seeing them. Okay, but before then, let me do something. Let me change this text too. You know, we can actually change the color of all of these text too. So you just click on it, like this love now. Just click on it. You come to this color part, you give it another color. Look at it, I've changed it to red. So let's change all of these things to red, so that when we change the background, we'll be able to see everything that we have when we detach the background from it. So let me change it to red, red. So everything is red. Now I want to look at it. I just click on my background alone. I right clicked detach background. So if I remove it now, look at all of those text is there. The reason why we did not see before was because they were white, and you know, white and white we cannot show. So now I've detached the background. I don't like this background. I just like something that is more mature. You know, we are trying to change in the design. You don't want to use the exact thing. So to change that, you don't need to go and download any design. Since you are using a Canva Pro account, you just come under this design here, this element over here. Click on elements. What do you need? Type it. I need red, red, Valentine background. Just click on enter. It will bring in many things for you. Look at it. You have graphics, you have all graphics, If you click on graphics, it's going to give you samples of graphics background. If you need a photo, like this one is a photo, you just look at it, look at nice ones, nice background. So we just click, let's assume that we like this one, we just click on it. You can even the one we don't like, you can delete. Is what you like, you just right click on it, then set as image background. We have this new background, and but remember that our text was white before, we changed to red, so we can turn it back to white. Just click on this alphabet that has color. That's where you change your text color. You just click on white, you have different color. You can even say change all. So if I want everything to change, out of me doing it one after the other, I just click on change all. Look at everything is what is changed. And if you look at the background, okay, this love too, we've not changed the love. Okay, we've not changed love. So this is the love. Let's change it to white as well. Then we'll change it to white. If you don't like it, you can change the background to another thing again. So red Valentine background color background. So it's going to give you another option. We have a whole lot. I know I said the other time, depending on your creativity. So you can just scroll down till you find what you like. Until you find what you like. You don't go for what you don't like. We have a whole lot. A whole lot. Look at this one, is even color, is even white. But because we have changed our text, let me change it back to red. I hope you are learning. I believe you are learning, guys. So when I change this, I can just set this as my background again. If I like it, I go for it. If I don't like it, I pick something else. This one is nice too. I can just right click on it to replace background. This is also nice. If I don't like it again, I can scroll down until I get what I need. And if you like this, you want to still do it again, you can just duplicate. Look at this part now, it's called duplicate page. You can make it two. Look at this, you can delete your page. Look at this plus sign, it's saying you can add a new page. So it's something that is very flexible, guys. Very, very flexible. So let's okay, let's duplicate this page. So it's now two. I can now decide, okay, I don't like this background here, let me change another background. I can decide that, okay, let me change all of this to white, then get a red background. Get a red background. Let me get this. Duplicate it. Replace the background. Look at this too. It's very nice. Okay, let's make this white. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Then another thing, you can also look at this background, the way it's looking. You might not like it to be in the at this side. You can also flip it. Look at this flip here. You can get all of these features on pro account. See, that free account that we opened earlier cannot do most of these things. So you can flip it horizontally. Look at it, has come to this side. You can flip it vertically. Look at this. You can flip it to anything, any design you want. Anything. Look at this background too. This is also nice. Once you just get anyone you like, you go for it, guys. You go for it. And you can even put two backgrounds together. Maybe you just like something, you just, yeah, look at this now. You can just drop something here. You can just drop it, then give it like a weight or a border. And this border, I can make it white. Look at it. I believe you are learning. I believe you are learning. I believe you are learning. Depend on your creativity. Look at this too, is very nice too. But before anything, you can always duplicate. You can have like thousands of design. Look at this too. You can remove this one if you don't like it. If it's making your word look, you can change this to red again. Remember that everything we had was Valentine's something. So you don't need to worry. Everything is Valentine's color. Even this pink too. Our prompt was Valentine. So look at I love this. So this one I can decide to flip it vertically. I can decide to flip it horizontally. I can decide to flip it to anywhere I like. Look at this black too. I believe you are learning. Yes, look at this too. I can change back my text to white if I like. Look at it. If you put this on your status, it won't people even like yeah, if you put it on your Facebook, on your Instagram, yes, you are good to go. So this is just one part of Canva template that we have. And remember that we also picked a template, and this template was just for an Instagram post. And I said the other time that all of our work has um it has a custom size. So your size, the size you are going to pick will be determined by what you have on your head. So the example we've been able to give this evening was just an example of a Valentine's post. Maybe you want to post on your Facebook. So please get this very well, guys. Facebook size is different from Facebook post is different from Facebook what's it called, like a Facebook cover. You know, there are different sizes, so you need to get the size online, get the size, come to Canva and come to pro and custom price and custom size, then resize your design there. It will give you the exact thing. Let's assume that, okay, let me open another tab, and let me just show you like a Facebook cover. Maybe on your cover photo you want to design something nice. You will not use the post size because it will not give you the exact thing you want. You know, just like when you want to create a sticker, a flyers, they are different. They are different sizes. So, and your size, you can always get every size here. So let's say we want to design a Facebook cover now for our social media, or for our Facebook page, or for our Facebook account. Just click on the Canva and custom size. Go on your internet that what is what is facebook 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 cover size. Click enter. It's going to give you, just that the network is not. Let me type it again. facebook Facebook cover size. Don't mind my, I just wanted to show us how to get the size. So no, the other time I picked a custom size. So this one is waiting for us to just give it a size. Which size am I doing? Which size am I creating? So, and if you cannot get the size, you can still come here. Just come to social media. Social media will still give you some alternatives. You have Instagram, you have Facebook. Yes, you have it in your head that, okay, I'm creating a cover size for Facebook. Come to Facebook. It's going to give you options. Then you, once you find it, you go for it. The same thing I'm doing on the laptop, you can also do it on your phone. The same thing. You just need to understand the right things there. Look at this now. It says Facebook posts. This one is Facebook cover. This is the size we're looking for. This is 851 by 815 pixel. You don't need to, you just click on it. It will give you the exact size. If it is WhatsApp status you want, it's also there. Just click it. This is our Facebook cover size. This is the size. This is the size. Let me close this tab. Close this tab. Then let me open my Canva again. What do I type? Canva.com. Canva.com. Click on it. The same thing on your browser, on your phone browser. The same thing. If you want to install the application, you can install it on your phone. If you cannot install it on, maybe your phone is full, you can use your Chrome every time. Once you have signed in, you have signed up on Canva, Canva would automatically save all your details. The next time you are signing in, it will bring all your work, all your recent. It's not that I will not be clicking control save and my work will be lost. No, This is the internet. Everything you have done would remain there. It will remain there. So they are still loading. So I'm trying to open different tabs so that we can be more efficient in our work. So this is another one. It's still loading. So while we wait for it, let's come to this one. Although it's still loading because it has not brought out all of these things, all these features we have here. So as I was saying, we have used this design that okay, oh, you know, we wanted to create a cover page for our social media Facebook. It has given us the size already. No, now we don't know what you want to put there. Let's now assume that okay, maybe you are a fashion designer and you want to create something nice for your Facebook cover. Just come to this place. You know, there are templates here already. We did not pick template, yes, but there are also templates under this design. What you just need to do is just click fashion cover photo. Just click on fashion cover photo. You will see a whole lot of design. That's it. Look at it. Guys, I hope you are learning. You are going to end this class by 10. Yes, 10. So, but before then, I believe you have learned something and I'll still check my charts. So let me just pick a template. Maybe you have some samples of clothes you want to display on your cover photo for people to know that you are into fashion. Okay, so I only have 25 minutes to go. So for people to know that you have some things. So now let me show you how we are going to edit it. Edit this. So why is still coming in? So let me check my chat box why this is still coming in. Oh, read one. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, you have joined us late, but don't worry. You are going to get a recorded version of this. I'm going to link it. I'm going to save it so that people that joined late can also go through it. All right, so guys, as we're saying, this is one of the example. If you don't like it, that it looks so, come again. Look for another nice one. If you are using Canva Pro, you don't have any limitation, guys. You don't have limitation. Look for another one. If you don't like it, go back. Scroll down. Is there anything you like? They are still loading. They are still coming. There are thousands of templates here on Canva. Open a new tab. Do you like this? If you don't, now let me now tell us. I'm looking for anyone that I like. Oh, so that I will teach you how you can even change the photo. This photo here now. Let's assume that you don't want this photo. You want to put your own photo. This is a photo. You can drag it. You can drop it anywhere. You can drop it. You can drag it. You can do anything with it. Look at it. I believe you are learning, guys. So I'm trying to fit in this well. I believe you are learning. You are learning. So you don't want to put in your own picture. So the next one here, I was still trying to explain this part. So you also have a test. This test now you can just click on it. Get a test. Maybe you want to write something. Somebody should give me, let's say Adeola's fashion. Adeola's fashion. You can write anything. So Adeola's fashion. You can just put it somewhere or you put it down, or if you even have a logo, You can write a logo, or you can design your own logo. Yes, guys, you can design your own logo. You can just put it anywhere. If you want to add color, just click on the text, come to this capital A that says text color, click on it. Immediately you click on it, different text would show. Do you like the color green? Which color do you like? Come to show. This one is photo color. Yeah, it has been able to pick all the color in the photo. Come here, scroll down, you see colors. You like this? You like this? You like this? Anyone you like, you put it there. Any color that goes with your brand. When you are working with brand, we are not doing this for doing sake. We're actually doing this because we know you are also going places and you're going to do a lot. So let's assume that you now want to change this. Now you come to upload. Look at this upload. Once you click on upload, you'll be able to bring in photos from your phone, photos from your computer, from your laptop. So look at it. I just click on upload now. I'll click on upload files. If I have any photo on my laptop that I want to put, I'll just I would have make it available before now. These are some of the designs I've done. So I will just import it straight away. I'm looking for a fine photo. Let me take this. These are my people. So let me just take this, just for example. So you can have we are talking about a fashion brand. So you can just come here. Well, after you click on upload, we did not say anything. Come back here, click on it again. It's still uploading. Excuse me. So my photo is still coming in. It's just because of the you are going to wait for it to show over here. Once it show, we just drag and drop it. Then it will replace the photo there. No stress. No stress, guys. As we want to even put this our Canva design photo, this one we have over here. So you can always go back from here. Okay. I don't know why this, or it will still come. Anyways, it's just the so we are still waiting for this to come. Or maybe I should just look for a photo that has been uploaded already. These are my client's work. Sorry. I'm trying to look for a photo that would fit in into this design. So then if the purpose is just to show you, you're going to go home, then practice what you have learned. So I'm going to practice it. So the more you practice, the more you become very, very good at it. And then, okay, the photo I show. So I'll just come here, pick the photo, drag it and drop it here. Let's pick it again. Pick the photo, drag it and drop it here. Pick the photo, drag it and drop it here. It's going to show. It's just, okay, it's going to still show. So we have, our time is really, really flying. So let's say we also want to customize this too. We were talking about your last fashion. Let's type it here again. You can change any text. Any text. Look at it. You Can change anything. Sales up to 50%. Maybe it's your own website that you want to put here. You can just put Adeola. It's just for an example, adeola.com. Just put your text there. Oh, JJ. This one is still coming. I don't know why it's not showing. Now let me just do the same thing I did over there. Just drop it there. It's going to still come. Or you can just bring it here. Is it it's not showing? Guys, don't worry. Let me just refresh my page. It seems they are not coming in. Okay, let me check my chat, see if there's any question. Okay, somebody just asked me now. I'll get a Canva page and I download the app. Yes, yes, okay. I think I've answered. Okay, ma. Thank you. Following, yes, ma, we are learning. Hello, I just okay, you're welcome. Can AI change all our yes? Why not? It can. It will change everything for you. Everything. You just give it a prompt. That is the purpose of using a Canva Pro. If you're using a free account, you might not see the AI features there. You might not. But when you are using a paid a Canva Pro, you're going to get everything. So you're going to get everything. So let's continue, guys. Look at it. Oh, it was because of that time. Everything has come in. So let me reduce my font. So this was the picture I added. Hope you guys are learning. So you can just fit it in. Duplicate your work. You can even duplicate it. No, you can duplicate it. Once you right click on it, duplicate. Look at it. This one is cut away already. You can just put something here, maybe a color or something. Anything. Just be creative, guys. You can just put anything. You can even right click to get color from your photos. Let me refresh my page again. Oh. Seems just bear with us today because this glitch is is really tiring. Hope you guys are getting something. Please get it. Oh, I'm just playing around with the colors. Just playing around with it. So our time is fast spent. Let me refresh my page again. So in case if you are working and you're having issues, just refresh your page, start it all over again. See, your work will start where you stopped. You are not losing anything. You are not losing anything. Just keep on refreshing until you get the exact work you have done. So you are not losing anything. Canva would automatically save all your changes for you. Yes, that's how it works. Now let's continue. Look at all my pictures now are not showing, but I'm not scared because I know they are still going to come. There's nowhere it will run to. They are still coming. I believe you are learning. So there is a whole lot to learn on Canva. There's a whole lot. There is a whole lot to learn. When it comes to Canva, I believe we've been able to get some templates done.